Hey guys, how's it going? How to screen record on iOS 18. So swipe down to see your screen, right? To see control center. And as you can see right here, the red circle button right here, you're gonna be able to notice it. This is that means that I can record right now, right? Or I'm recording right now. So you can record with your inside the app or inside the iPhone. So all you can hear is your videos or music that you played inside your iPhone, or you could just hold right here, right? And you can see this is the options, and you're gonna be able to see you can turn on the microphone and hear your own voice while speaking, or maybe giving a tutorial or whatever it might be to tell someone where to go or what to do. So basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.